Hi guys, apple picking. This is for real. Look at that. I am very happy. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that. And then just look. I'm just so overwhelmed. I don't know which one to pick because everything is so good, looking good. I'm just exciting. You come over here now and then let's do apple picking. And just right here. There you go. Oh my gosh. Look at this cluster of apples.
There's lots of red apples in the very back.
Over here. Apples everywhere, and it's just so overwhelming, and I'm very happy. I'm gonna go pick some and then share it with my friends back home. Look at this. So happy. First time kong makakita ng apple tree talaga. At ang saya-saya. At tignan nyo naman isang puno. Isang puno doon na ayan na. Isang puno dito na wala ng dahon pero yung bunga. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Oh, di ba? And then lahat ng puno ay ang dami-daming bunga. Halos wala na akong mapili. So sobrang ganda.